I can get a pilot's license easier than getting my driver's license. Whoa, look at that! That looks like a sunflower. Literally, whoa! These are kind of dope, dude. I don't know how they. What is this white light hanging down? You see that white light? You can call in the UFOs, dude. You better watch out.
You haven't stopped talking.
I know.
You just can't stop talking.
I'm like a rat in a cage.
Don't fuck with it.
Those are like a little bit lower than
I thought you wanted me to stop talking. There goes a drone right there. You see that drone?
That is a drone.
Yeah, like the one from yesterday.
Yeah, that's a cop drone. This thing is fast as fuck, dude.
Modern.
Watch when it moves.
Modern gate.
It's big. If